Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Collector Brookman, and today I'm going to be obviously doing a special unboxing video, and yeah, let's see what I've got. Right, open this. Yep. Oh. Oh yeah, I love this. Santa's already. Like so. Fair play, he's well packaged this. Oh, and shout out to Tav, by the way, Tav Tavender on Facebook for the sale. Well packaged, mate. Almost there, guys. Yep, almost through. Getting close. Oh, here we go. Oh no, this is too much greatness for me to handle a little bit. Oh wow. Guys, first appearance of Juggernaut. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, sick. Perfect. Yep. What a nice grade as well. Lovely presenting. Oh, for flipping heck. Yeah. This is wicked. Origin of Professor X. Origin and first appearance of Juggernaut. Kane Markle. Stanley Story, Alex Tooth and Vince Coletta art. Jack Kirby cover and layouts. Brilliant. Oh, sick. Can't believe it. It's you. So, yeah. Thanks, Tav, for the sale, and what a book. What a book. Yep. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and see you on the next one. Cheers.